Hello, all my Facebook fans, and hello, all my radio fans on my podcast, which comes to you every Saturday morning at blog, talk, TLAKradio.com/righteous, RIGHTEOUS, hustle, HUSTLTEENT, and you can also listen to us at www.pod, P-O-D, D as in David, serve.fm every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. online. Well, what I want to talk about today is how many people out here have bad credit and you would like to get a second chance at a bank account and you don't know where to go. Well, there are plenty of banks out here that do second chance banking. Bank of America does second chance banking. You just have to ask for it. There's a bank called Woodforest Bank. You have to look them online. There's also Associated Credit Union. These are some of the banks that will give you a second chance at a bank account, and they don't even stop you from getting, even if you've had check systems before, you can still get a bank account through them. Also, do you know of all the places out here where you can get second chance credit cards, get a Visa or MasterCard with bad credit? There's First Premier Bank, Capital One. There's one of my favorite ones is Credit One Bank. Those are three banks. Continental Finance, that's a fourth bank where you can get a credit line anywhere from $300 to $1,000, depending on what your credit score. If your credit score is 560 and above, you'll probably get an unsecured line of credit. It may not be that much, but $300 to $1,000, that's a pretty good start. But the main thing you have to remember when you're getting your credit cards, never to exceed your credit limit by more than 30%. That's your utilization. So if your credit card, you have available credit of $1,000, you never want to exceed it by more than $300, because even though you may be making those monthly payments on time, it's killing your credit. So your utilization is 30% of your credit score. Also, make sure you make your minimum payments each month on time. That's 35% of your credit score. That's 65% of your credit score. That's going to be the difference of your score going up or down. And if you really want to get into the 700s and the 800s, keep your utilization to 1 to 7% each month, way under 30%. This will cause you to get the best credit card offers out there with the lowest interest rate, the best car loans with the lowest interest rate, and also when you go to apply to get a home loan, you're going to get the best interest rates. So remember, 35% of your credit score is based on how your payments every month. 30% is based on how you manage your credit. 15% of your credit score is based on how long you've had your credit cards. 10% is based on the mixture. If you have an installment loan like a car loan or student loan, your payment's the same every month. A revolving account like a Visa or MasterCard, your payments can differ every month. Also, let's say you have a mortgage and you're paying rent. Your past 2 years of rental history can now be added onto your credit. All you have to do is go online to Google, put in rent reporters. For $9.95 a month, they'll add the last 2 years of your rent history. If you've been paying on time, you can have it added on. So now you'll have a great mixture of credit. You have either rental history or your mortgage, revolving cards like Visa or MasterCard, and then you have the installment loan, car loan or student loan. That's called a good mixture. And then the final 10% of your credit is based on new credit. New credit, generally the first 2 or 3 months, will cause your score to go down a few points. But the longer you've had your credit, it'll go away within a year. Also, you want to watch out inquiries. Do not go out here applying for credit everywhere. When you get more than 5 to 6 inquiries in a year, that'll bring your credit score down some, because it looks like you go out here trying to get credit and you look desperate. Always try to keep your inquiries under 6 a year. Credit inquiries stay on your credit report for 2 years, but they only impact it for 12 months. So be very careful. And remember, all bad credit items stay in your report for 7 years. If you have a collection that's on there, don't pay it. Let it stay. Unless you can negotiate an agreement with them where say, hey, I'll give you 50 cents on the dollar. So if I have a $500 collection account and they're willing to take $250 and they're willing to give me a letter saying they'll delete it, then that's when you settle a collection. But again, today my name is Edmund Gary. I'm the Doctor of Credit Repair. You can also go on Facebook, pull me up, Edmund Gary, EDMUND, last name Gary, GAREY. I'm on Blog Talk Radio, fm.com/righteous hustle every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. You can also pull me up online at www.pod, pod, P-O-D-S-E-R, V as in Victor, E.FM. And if you have any questions or you want us to repair your credit, contact me, Edmund Gary, at 404-437-2028. You can also email us at edgary, E-D as in David, G-A-R-E-Y, edgary at mail.com. Again, that's, if you want to email me, that's E-D-G-A-R-E-Y, edgary at mail.com, not Gmail, mail.com. Any questions you have, contact me, Edmund Gary, at 404-437-2028. I'll be coming on 3 to 4 times a week giving tips on credit cards, tips on how to repair your credit, and everything else that's going to be good. And once again, thank you.